Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
This is the Little Rock National Weather Service office testing our hazardous weather warning system. This system allows you to hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over NOAA Weather Radio. Tests of this system are made each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon, except when there is a possibility of severe weather. Under those circumstances, the test is delayed until the next good weather day. NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System is equipped with a warning service called SAME, which stands for Specific Area Message Encoder. This allows users with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and media outlets. This has been a test. Regular programming will now resume.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station.